Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, I have a huge major Tuesday morning haul. I lucked out today because at my Tuesday morning they put the new stuff like Tuesday night. So I'm very fortunate that today, lunchtime Wednesday, I was able to go there. So let's start. As you can see, there's a lot of fine day products from my mind's eye. So let's start with the paper collection. So I got 3 of these. This is called One Fine Day. Look at the colors, guys. Isn't this perfect for summer or spring? And you're gonna notice it is $2.29. So that's why I decided to get 3 of them. So that's that, and and it has all these prints. This is my favorite print. This is my favorite print of all time. Super cute. Love the colors. And every single pack you get this sticker sheet. It has gold foil in it too as well. All right, so we got that for $2.29. Next, I was able to find this One Fine Day marquee stickers. $1.99. It looks like this, so it all matches. This made me so happy being able to find the stamp. I am so happy. Yes, found the stamp, so definitely we will be making embellishments using this collection. This is probably gonna be my April. This is gonna be my April No Paper Left Behind challenge. Another One Fine Day is the washi tape. So as you can see, they are all super cute. Right there in the back, and this is the price for that. And then this is the only ephemera I found. It's called a mix bag. Sorry about the glare. But it's cute, and then it gives you some ideas and inspiration on how to make your own embellishments. So it's good enough. It's good enough inspiration for me, I feel like. So I hope you can see that very well. Okay. Next, you get One Fine Day journal cards. So I want to be able to show you guys what we have. So this is another $1.99. So it says enjoy, and this is the back part. So I was thinking I'm not going to use all this for journaling cards, so I'm going to be using it to make my own ephemera. Just imagine this as like a coffee cup or a globe, and that would be super cute. Just imagine that as a coffee cup. Wouldn't that be the cutest? Or a mason jar, guys. You know, you don't have to use it as a journaling card if you don't want to. Cute, right? Very cute. You can cut this up and make this your own die cut. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed with this print. Obsessed. Oh, sorry, the back. Cute, right? Look at this. All you need to do is put a sentiment on top, and you're good to go, but the blue is too cute in the back. So that's going to be a decision. There are so many beautiful reasons to be happy. Isn't that the truth? And this is gold foiled, guys. So I stopped myself from getting more. I know it's super cute, but I need only one. How cute is that, guys? I just lucked out today. I feel like I'm not supposed to go. I was not intending to go, but I finished my workout like a little bit earlier because I came there a little bit earlier. So why not reward yourself? How cute. How cute. And then all you need to do is get these inks, and then you can stamp just using those inks to make your own embellishments. I think that's such a great idea. And it has florals. How cute. Awesome Blossom. My friend Amy says that all the time. Awesome Blossom. My very good friend Amy. Next is, let's focus on the One Fine Day stuff. Isn't One Fine Day like a movie by Michelle Pfeiffer? Anyway, isn't that cute? Like embellishments. So you can just copy what they have here and make it your own. So yeah. It's not a lot, but it's still good inspiration, I feel like. Right? Okay. The last One Fine Day is this card kit. Okay. So you're gonna notice that it includes 8 cards, and it includes everything that you need to make these cards for $4.99. And these are the card ideas. Isn't that cute? Wouldn't that be the cutest thing to do, is to, let's say, make the cards using this card kit, and then using the paper kit you can make like a storage or like a box that matches for the cards that you're going to give your friend. Wouldn't that be awesome? So yes, I got 2 of that. Super cute, guys. If you have a chance and if you see this as your Tuesday morning, go grab it. These are the One Fine Day stuff that I have. However, I was able to find Maggie Holmes stickers. So it's been years that I was looking for this. It's kind of like I'm over it now because I wasn't able to find it for a very long time. You know how that feels? Anyway, so this is a Willow collection. I know I have the Willow paper, so I wanted something to match. And then I have been looking all over for this, so finally I found it. Because I am making a boatload of cards and a card container with the Hooray collection. I'm going to show you in another video what we have. And then my favorite Paige Evans collection of all time, Pick Me Up. Super cute. Pick Me Up is my #1 favorite, and Horizon is my 2nd favorite. Let me show you. I still have a Horizons embellishment box in here that I haven't, it's all made. I just don't know what to do with it, to be honest. Yeah, it's just fun to make. Super fun to make. This one, so I will be doing some decorations and some treats for my friend's baby shower, my best friend's baby shower. So I was thinking of including this in the design, but it's gonna be like an Easter themed baby shower. So we're looking at onesies, florals, and bunnies. And this is a Spectrum Noir glitter brush pens. I already took the yellow band off so I can show you guys. And this is $6.99. I just want to show you. Okay, let's see. I was watching Grey's Anatomy today. So that's why I wrote Trauma and Nancy. Because I'm at that part. I think I'm season 15. Okay, so it writes very well, guys. And it's very glittery. Cute, right? So it has 3 colors. Okay, so this is the darkest. And this is, not sure which one is next, but this is the next one. I'm so glad that I didn't buy the other ones, because they had more there. They have Spectrum Noir brush pens there for $19, but I had to prioritize. I had to prioritize. So That's why I didn't buy it. That's why I only bought this one. So I think this is a peach. It's very glittery. But I wanted to buy this for the refillability. I wanted to use this as a brush, as an aqua pen. So just imagine, okay, so after the ink goes away, right, it dries up. $6.99 for 3 aqua pens is an amazing deal. So that's what I thought. So that's why I bought that. And for the sparkle too, I guess. So that's that. And then they had so many punches on my Tuesday morning. Oh my god, I was like panicking, freaking out. But ultimately, I just ended up getting this one because, guys, I lost my puncher, the partner to this. I don't know where it is. I've been looking everywhere. I just cannot find it. And that's my number one. I use it all the time. I use it for everything, everywhere. Let me show you what it looks like. That's my favorite punch of all. And I've been looking for it since the holidays, because the last time I used it was during the holidays. So this is what it looks like. It's super perfect, but I don't know. I can't find it. I hope to find it eventually. So we'll see. Anyway, I got this as alternative, $4.99. So hopefully it's a good standby. And this is my major, this is the first thing that I grabbed. Well, technically no. This is one of the first few things that I grabbed. So this is an all-in-one Project Life kit, guys. This kit is $4.99 and it has all these in it. Imagine a 6x8, one 6x8 ring binder, 156 Project Life cards, and 26 photo pockets. And they are using Oh My Heart collection by Paige Evans. So I was like floored to be able to get this one. So just imagine one 6x8 album is already how much? Let's say $15 or $10. And this is $4.99 for the entire thing. So I think that's an amazing deal. So I got 2 of that. Let me show you what's inside. So I prepared already, and I already took the packaging out so that I can show you what we have. So this is the album. That's how thick it is. Beautiful colors, good for everything. And then it has this. So you open it up like that, you remove it. And this is the front part. So look how thick, and look how many page protectors you have. You have a lot of page protectors. This is really, really good for an album. And then you have all these pages, and it's double-sided. How cute is that sprinkles, guys? Isn't that pretty? I don't know, it's not focusing for some reason, but it's sprinkles, and that's super cute. And they have multiples per design. So this one is I woke up like this, and this is the back part, and this one is no rest for the rad, and that's the back part. And this is I heart naps and take note is the back part. So it's just super cute stuff. Cute stuff. How cute is this planner and phone and pencils? Come on. Guys, make sure that you dig on the bottom, because I found this on the very, very bottom. They had so many Project Life Project Life cards, you know, the sets. And I got this from the very, very bottom. Look at this, how cute. Places to go, things to see. So cute, right? So please make sure that you dig, because you might miss a treasure somewhere down there. So anyway, guys, that's the, let me show you the rest of it. Maybe you're interested and you want to see. That's all I got, but I just want to give you some details. So this happened. Isn't that the cutest? The color combinations are so cute. I am so thankful, and I'm very excited, and I'm very happy. I hope you're able to see all that. My favorite part of the day. Oh, what's the back part of that? Oh, feel beautiful. And that's the back part. That is pretty cute. That's very cute. Right? The fox. Jeans, t-shirt, top knot. Yes. That's the best. More fun. How cute! You can cut this up to make an embellishment. Seriously. Life is short. Eat dessert first. I agree with that. I love these books. They're so pretty and the colors are amazing. Next, pure cuteness. Cute, right? Here are a few of my favorite things, and that's the back part. We're almost done. But I thought I wanted to share this with you guys immediately. This happened today. And so I wanted to make sure that you go to your Tuesday morning. I don't want you to miss anything. You are my bright side. How cute, right? That cute or what? If you think my hands are full, you should see my heart. Oh, so that's the back part. This is the back part. This is the best life. I love it. It has so much space for journaling, and it's absolutely adorable. Super cute. Wait, not sure if this is the back part of this. Yes, it is. So this is the back part. Cute, right? You can make bows. You can make banners. If you don't want to use it as a journaling card, you can make it into coffee cups, mason jars. You can make it into cards. I could cuddle you forever. Wouldn't that be a cute card? Messy bunny getting things done. Isn't that would be cute for like a traveler's notebook, or like a do-it-yourself traveler's notebook that you make lists out of? I think that would be so cute. Maybe I will do that. Cute are these books and vase and plates and scrapbooks, actually. How cute is this? I know they have a paper collection. I just am not sure if it's still available. So I didn't really know how amazing this collection is until I saw this album. So I'm gonna research on Oh My Heart. I saw a very brief product review on it on YouTube, but anyways, so guys, I just wanted to share, and I wanted to tell you that they may be having some goodies in your Tuesday morning, so please go if you're able to. Anyway, so that's my crafty share. That's my Tuesday morning haul for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you here. Take care. Have a wonderful crafty day. Bye.